A good distributor doesn't just sell you equipment. They help you turn an idea into a profitable setup. They take the time to walk your space, learn how your store runs, and talk through what makes sense, not just what's in stock. They communicate. If you call, they answer or call right back. Texts, emails, same story. They make time to be there for you. They help you think through the numbers, like how much use to expect and what your market can support. And they coordinate and consult with any licensed tradespeople to make sure everything is built properly. And long after install, they're still around, checking in, helping troubleshoot, or just making sure things are going smoothly. Of course, there's more to it than this, but if your distributor is doing all this, you're off to a great start. What do you look for in a great distributor? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.